So I'm going to teach you how to revert to classic Facebook in 2020. So as you can see, this is my Facebook account, and if you click this profile, there's no return to classic Facebook or revert to classic Facebook. So how can you revert to classic Facebook? Uh, Here's how. So I found this technique or this trick by myself. So other videos, they want you to send feedbacks to YouTube, but to Facebook, but the Facebook feedbacking sucks. They don't reply to your messages. So what you need here is a page. You need to have a Facebook page. So if you don't have one, you need to create a page. So here I have a page. These are my page from YouTube. So what you need to do, instead of clicking to your profile right here, you need to click your page. Okay, simple trick. If you don't have a page, make one. So click your page, and here's the technique. See? If you like, you can switch to the classicfacebook.com for 48 hours to manage your page. Switch now. And then skip. Okay? That's it. That's how you can revert to classic Facebook in 2020. So, if you don't like the newer Facebook, you can do this trick. Okay? So, that's it. If you don't have a page, you need to create one. So, if you need to do this every 2 days, because automatically this will revert to the new Facebook, and then just click your page and then click switch to classic Facebook. So right here, I'm going to do this again. Switch to new Facebook. Okay. See, there's no switch to classic Facebook. I'm going to click my page. Okay. And wait. I'm going to click my page. Any page will do, as long as it's yours, and then switch now. See, even if it is 2020, I can go back and forth between classic and new Facebook. So this trick will help you if you don't like the new Facebook. So that's it. This is just a quick tutorial that I want to share. So again, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share if I help you with this problem. So thank you.